Hello and welcome, come in, and welcome to my shop.
I had a dream.
This is my shop, basically. I got a shop. It's massive, like you can see me running across the room. Well, I'm not going to run, but it's huge, it's massive, and it's a shop for my business. As you guys have been watching my channel, I have been doing a barber van series. I've been converting a van into a barbershop. Well, this is a barbershop. Well, it's not a barbershop yet. You can see there's nothing here. But it's going to be a barbershop. I'm leasing the shop. I've got it at a really good price, and it's huge. It's going to make a great business location because it's not just going to be a barbershop. I've got a few other business ideas which are going to happen elsewhere in the shop and within the company and stuff. That's details for another video. But come on, let me show you around. As you can see, we've got the space around here. We have radiators. We have plug socket, plug socket, plug socket, plug socket, plug socket, and they're all double. So we've got 10 plug sockets in this room alone. We've got lighting, as you can see up here. We have so much lighting on the roof, which is great. We already have smoke detectors and everything. That's cool. And we've also got a bathroom, which is an interesting room. Let me just turn the lights on here. As you can see, as you come in here, this is the kitchen. We have a workspace. We've got cupboard, and a sink with working water, and another radiator, and plug sockets for, well, maybe a toaster and a microwave.
Toilet.
Yeah, no, I haven't got to that bit yet. Alright. Now, before I show you the amazing bit of the video, what's in this room, you may wonder, let me just say I'm so lucky to have so much support for this company, as you guys, my viewers, are all supporting the channel. But as well as that, I have an investor, and the investor has been great. I'll talk about him in another video because that's irrelevant, but I'm grateful for him because he believes in me and he believes that this company will work, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can pay myself a paycheck soon if everything goes to plan. Now, let me show you where the magic happens. Back here, we have lights, we have fans, we have a bathroom. Come on in. Or do you want to turn up? Yeah, you just film out. A heated towel rack for the most precious of barber hands. No, but seriously, I'm so lucky to be having this shop. I picked up the keys today, like literally today. I came and viewed the shop last week. This shop is nowhere near where I live, like it's very far away, and it's a little bit of a nuisance to get here, but it's fine because at the end of the day I'm moving and hopefully moving into this area, which is why I got the shop. Now, this is a massive risk for me as a 23-year-old. Am I going to be able to make a company work? I don't know, I really don't. But the ideas that I have for this shop are going to be amazing. I hope. I hope to have, like, as you guys know, it's going to be a barber shop. I'm hoping to have maybe 6 barbers. Barber here, maybe a barber here, maybe a barber here, maybe 3 down this wall, over there as well, and over there. Not sure. Let me know in the comments below your guys' opinions on what I should do with this space, because I genuinely have no ideas. I completely forgot to bring my tape measure to the shop because I was going to measure some areas, but I'm hoping to have maybe seating area over there by the window, vending machines over there, barbers down here, another part of the company which is going to be here, which is, I don't want to spoil too much obviously because this is my company and don't want to ruin it yet because, I don't know, I'm nervous. I'm really nervous on how this is going, and it's newly refurbished, give or take a little bit. It could do with a bit of siliconing. We've got some lovely hardwood flooring which needs clean, and we've got lovely white walls, and we've got lovely lighting, and it's just a lovely airy space. It's near a town centre, which is great. It's actually on a high street, but the completely other end of the high street, because I wanted a shop out of the way. Now, having a shop of this size, this magnitude, literally, it's huge. It's so big, and I've never thought I'd ever be able to amount to something like this, really. So, yeah, that's my shop. Seriously, let me know in the comments below any ideas you've got for this shop, because I've got some ideas and you will be seeing them in this video. Well, not this video, but you'll be seeing them on this channel as it progresses, because I'm going to be working on the shop, I'm going to be building it out, and I'm hoping within a month to get this up and running. Now you may have some questions going, Oliver, what is happening to the van build? Because the van build, that's part of this, right? Well, yes it is. The van build is, yeah, I had to pause it a little bit because I went on holiday for my birthday, I had things going on. So the van build series will be coming back very, very soon. Yeah, I know, a couple of weeks already on. But it's fine, because having a barber van and a barber shop and having the area to run additional company bits is going to work very, very well, I hope. I hope, at least. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video and seeing this new shop that I have leased. Yes, it's a lease, it's massive, and I hope we can have many, many videos and many, many adventures here. I don't really know how to record a reveal video for something like this, so it's kind of just been a bit here and there with Curtis behind the camera, because that's all I can think about doing. But here we are, we have a shop, I'm going to get massive curtains, I don't know, Curtis said get an Xbox in here, I don't know. We have this massive space, I can skateboard in here, Yeah, if I wanted to, I'm not going to. But I've got a few ideas, let me know your ideas in the comments below. And adios, my miss amigos, so she gets the I shall see you guys all in the next video, which will be up, well, very, very soon, I hope. Yeah. Goodbye.
The end.
Like this video!
Welcome to this world we're living through, where everyone must follow you. This is me, daydream the world away, and I don't intend to stay long. This goes without a word, the pen will crush the sword. The things that you will say and the landlord has lost his cool, they never fade away. Get out your blimmin' head, wishing the world away. La 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 la. Welcome to my world, it's magical and fun. The dog barks all night and the boiler's lost its fuse. Welcome to my world, it's what I deviate. The actions that I make, the consequences break. Me and you will never meet again. La 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 la. Just keep it wrapped up in our little foil hats. Ha 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 ha. You and I will never cry again. Ha 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 ha. We will be just live in ecstasy, a million miles away from here. Welcome to my world, it's magical and fun. The dog barks all night and the boiler's lost its fuse. Welcome to my world, it's what I deviate. The actions that I make, the consequences break.